Ever heard of the Jerusalem artichoke and its hidden gut healing powers? This unique tuber, often overshadowed by its counterparts, holds a secret weapon for digestive health. Packed with prebiotic inulin, Jerusalem artichokes nourish beneficial gut bacteria, promoting smoother digestion and improving overall gut balance. They help reduce bloating and improve nutrient absorption, offering relief for those with digestive challenges. To harness these benefits, incorporate Jerusalem artichokes into your diet through salads or roasted snacks, making them a delicious ally for gut health.